McKinnon qui s'arrête pour changer de pneu, bien entendu. Et Schumacher qui avait un moteur.
I knew that way following Michael, it's no point to try to follow him and then try to overtake him and at the straight, because obviously he's not going to give me a room. It's correct?
Yeah, I make it difficult.
So I took the plan B and I went completely inside and overtook the back marker, and at the same time overtook the Michael, and I could tow also from the back marker, so it gave me extra speed, and it was great overtaking maneuver, and I loved it.
I knew I was a lot slower on the straight line speed from what the team told me. So being in slipstream of the guy in front of me, I thought it will not be enough for him to catch me. And then obviously once there's somebody on the same road, then normally there's only two cars that fit next to each other. But Mika did really an outstanding maneuver to pass on the inside there, because that was unexpected for my side. But honestly, if he wouldn't have catched me there, I think he would have catched me a lap or two later, because he was too fast down there, and you allowed to move once the line, and he would have taken me on the outside.
We saw today that Mika was outstandingly quick and compared to anybody else basically. So that was not possible. We're working on it, obviously. I think we are definitely the third team in the World Championship now. We try to stay there and get some more good podium or points finishes.